And interestingly, in terms of science, I haven't done a whole lot of work on that topic or too much deep thinking about it. But certainly that sort of representation, visual representations, communicate well. I think there's no question about that. The two areas that we have done a little bit in that, one is, as I mentioned, this demonstration we've set up at the College of Earth and Mineral Sciences Museum, where we have an instrument running that someone can go up and take a look at and look at the gas tanks and see how its pumps are bringing air in and out, and they can then look at the CO2 concentration either from outdoors, or if they blow on a tube, they can see it spike up from their exhalation. And then embedded that with materials explaining, what is it about the carbon cycle, where is this coming from, where is it going, and I think that visual venue is a way to engage people. A little flashing number display too, not necessarily flashing, but something to get someone to interpret and think about as primary data rather than telling them the truth about something without letting them experience it and look at it. The other thing that we've done a little bit of recently, and we joke about this a bit, is make visualizations of the transport of CO2 through the atmosphere. Movies. So we joke, movies. And one of my colleagues, Tom Malafo, he always had a bad rap from his dissertation work about having poor graphics. And now he makes 3D movies. So now he's convinced that he's become a graphic designer. We're only joking. But in truth, in terms of attention for the greenhouse gas studies that we do, when you show a 3D movie, it really grabs even scientists. They'll say, wow, that's pretty cool. Look at all that stuff. And you can start to, I think it's easy for you to learn from that. I could show them all the statistics in the world. But if I showed them enough movies, they'd know the statistics just from processing and understanding the image. And again, we haven't really invested too much in that to date. But it's worthy, I think, of consideration, even though we kind of joke about it sometimes.